Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get mermaid tail on a dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you how we can get a mermaid tail for free. If you want to get mermaid tail, you need to redeem a code and I'm going to show you the code to get a mermaid tail for your avatar. You can go to the code icon right here and then you just need to follow the code I enter here. You can type in mermaid using 3, mermaid, and 4 like this, and then you just need to click on redeem. Okay, and the code already redeemed, and I'm going to go to the dressing room to get the mermaid tail. Wait, I'm gonna go to the dressing room here and I'm going to apply the mermaid tail to my model. We can go to this code option and this is the mermaid tail we can use, and you'll be able to change the color if you want. Okay, just select the color. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna apply this one as well, like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get mermaid tail on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.